Hello everyone, it is me, that random dude, and today I'll be showing you that through Xbox 360's bad update exploit, you can play Japanese games or region-free games on your system. So here I have Blue Dragon. This is a game that will not work on my Xbox 360 normally, and I'll show you right here. It will say like region codes invalid. And as you can see, it does say this disk's region code is incorrect for this console. With bad update, I'll be able to bypass this message. So now that I have loaded up into bad update, I will show you that I am actually in bad update. As you can see, XDX menu is showing up right there. And I will try to load up Blue Dragon again and we'll see what happens. And as you can see, the game is loading up right here. And yes, as you can see, Blue Dragon is 100% working with bad update. Now the issue is, obviously the games will still be in Japanese, like if you're playing a Japanese game, of course, or whichever language, but it will be working right here. So I just want to show you guys that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.